Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For today, I'm sorry kasi may sakit ako, but tuloy pa rin ating Gabby's Vlog about Ice Guerra's being Ice concert. But subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-like, shares, comments, at views, at paabutin ng 500. It's supported natin sa ating social media ka. Ating latest vlog, 369, in episode 369 entitled Being Ice Recap. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin ang highlights for tonight concert. Okay, kasi meron ako nawala yung boses, but eto na! Last Friday, September 12, yan ay day 1 of BI's Live, which is the video hits live with Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano, Moira De La Torre, and sorry kasi Sessionistas Boys, and Miss Lani Misalucha. For me, okay naman ako. Dahil, yung Gento, tsaka salamin, pinahalo na siya para sa P-pop number. Kasi si Ice, hindi na susuotin pang babae, yung sa salamin, okay na siya. While, Ice and Gary Wiz, hataw na. Nakakainis. Moira, Shout Out to the Brokens duet, plus, the new version of Pagdating ng Panahon. Nako. And Lani Misalucha is okay, and the Sessionistas Boys, Duncan, Kian, and Noy sings Rainbow. For me, ang reveal is okay naman and successful. Kaya, advance happy birthday. While the yesterday's Being Ice Live concert, which is the Ice Guerra Spirit. Ito journey for 38 years since 1987 sa showbiz. Ito na. Ice Guerra meets other performers like The Company, The Sessionistas Girls, and Bossing Big Soto. For The Company, dalawang girls na nandiyan. Pero pasan yung boys? Paano na? Nako. Well, sabi ko na eh. The Sessionistas Girls, Princess Velasco, Juris Fernandez, and City Navarro sings the chorus Breathless. And the originals, Di Lang Ikaw by Juris, kung saan sumulat si Ice Guerra ng kanta, or songwriter po siya. And the last is Bossing Big Soto sings What Matters Was. Nagtalakayan na po sa ating post on the group. Ayan. Plus, yung sumulat ni Lisa Dino na dedicated to the wedding song. Yan. Meron din tayong Sex Bomb at meron iba, okay naman. And the review is okay naman at good job pa rin sa concert. Thank you Paradise Live, and Newport World Whistle. Sorry kasi sick now today, but next vlog better na po. Thank you and congratulations Ice Guerra and advance happy birthday. That's it for our latest vlog. See ya, bye, God bless.